Most people buy the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 because of the big battery, the rugged design, and the strong GPS performance. But after using it for a while, I realized something. A lot of the best features on this watch aren't the ones advertised everywhere. They're kind of hidden in the settings, and if you don't explore a little, you might never even notice them. So in this video, I want to show you the side of the T-Rex Ultra 2 that most users don't talk about. The small but powerful features that actually change how you use the watch day to day. Let's start with the one thing everyone cares about. Battery life. More than just 30 days. Yes, the battery life is crazy. We all know that. But what people don't really explore is how much control you actually have over it. Inside the settings, you can adjust GPS accuracy modes, tweak background monitoring, manage how the display wakes up, and fine-tune tracking behavior. So instead of just relying on default performance, you can shape the battery life around how you're using the watch. If you're heading out for a long hike, you can switch to Endurance GPS mode. If it's just daily wear, you can balance everything for smoother performance. That flexibility is what makes this watch special. It's not just long battery, it's smart battery management, and that connects directly to the next hidden strength. Offline maps and navigation. Most people know it supports offline maps, but not everyone realizes how capable the navigation system really is. You can import routes, load GPX files, create your own waypoints, and even drop checkpoints during activities. Once you're out there, no signal, no phone. The watch keeps guiding you without any issues. The breadcrumb tracking is reliable, and the way it moves between navigation points feels smooth and practical. When you combine that with the strong battery life, you start seeing the bigger picture. This isn't just a rugged-looking smartwatch, it's actually built for real outdoor use. Health features. Now let's talk about health tracking. A lot of users just leave everything on default. But if you go into the settings, you can customize heart rate alerts and blood oxygen thresholds. That means the watch can notify you when something goes outside your normal range. That small change makes it feel more active. Like it's looking out for you, not just recording numbers. Sleep tracking is another underrated area. If you consistently check recovery and readiness insights, you'll start noticing patterns. Some days you'll see why you feel tired. Other days you'll realize you're fully recovered before a workout. It's not flashy, but over time, it becomes very useful. Quick access. One feature I personally think more people should use is the shortcut menu. You can customize it with tools like weather, compass, timers, alarms, or navigation. Once you set it up your way, everything important becomes just one swipe away. It sounds simple, but it actually makes the watch feel faster and more practical during everyday use. You can also fully customize your workout data screens, change how many metrics you see, rearrange them, and create different layouts for different sports. Once you personalize it, the watch feels tailored to you. The touchscreen and button combination is smarter than people think too. You can lock the screen during tough workouts and rely on buttons, which is great in rain or extreme conditions. Even some watch faces show detailed outdoor information like altitude trends or sunrise and sunset timing, things that outdoor users will genuinely appreciate. So yes, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 is rugged. Yes, the battery is impressive. But the real strength of this watch is in the details. The customization, the navigation tools, the smart alerts, and the flexibility. Once you explore those hidden features, the experience becomes much better. If this helped you discover something new, let me know in the comments which feature you didn't know about. And if you enjoy honest smartwatch breakdowns like this, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar. I'll see you in the next one.